Good morning, everybody. My name is Anna Maria Miele. I come from Italy. I came over from Italy to India on a organized tour. So I'm here as a tourist in Varanasi, actually in the railway station of Varanasi. I had a bad accident. I fell down the escalator with my suitcases, and a friend of mine came over me. So it was a very bad experience. I've been medicated in a clinic in Varanasi, and then I came here in Fortis hospital in Jaipur. I was attended by Dr. Partani and his staff, and I can tell you that I had a very good attention from the Dr. Partani and his staff as well. So I've been feeling very well attended, and I know that the doctors have done their better for me. The operation on my wrist, which was fractured, has gone well. My leg is going to heal, and my 20 stitches that were on my right ear have been removed, and the ear is healing. One more thing I want to say, that not only the medical staff has been very good at, but also the nurses and the other people from the kitchen, from the cleaning, and from the girls that attended me in washing me and look after me in my personal needings. I thank indeed Fortis Hospital and Dr. Partani at first.